Good day and good day everyone. I'm Kenshin Paul Ginto from Our Lady of Fatima University, CCJ, Pampanga campus. So let us start. Today we're gonna tackle down the primary and the secondary color mixing. So let us start. So what are the three primary colors? So we have the blue, the green, and then the red one. So what will happen if we mix the three primary colors together? So let us find out. So let me just give me just a minute just to adjust and then prepare. Just to put them together in one piece. So let me just give some minute just to prepare, just to align them one by one. So as you can see, if we mix the three primary colors together, we build up the color of white. So what will happen if we mix the primary colors by pairs? So let's start. So if we mix the red and blue, what will happen? So if we mix the red and blue, as you can see, if we mix the red and blue, we can see the magenta color. So you can see the magenta. So what is the magenta? The magenta is our secondary color. The result of the two primary color, which is the red and blue. So let us mix them together. So as you can see, you see the color of magenta. And then to see it more better, we're gonna use a item. So as you can see, on this part, we see the magenta color on this part. And then in this part naman, the behind the shadow of two image, we can see the two primary colors, which is the red and then the blue. And then the shadow around it, the result of the mixture of two primary colors, which is the color of magenta. So what will happen if we mix the green and blue? So let's find out. So if we mix the green and blue, you will see the primary color blue is in this left side, and this in the right side we can see the primary color green. So the result of mixing the two primary colors, which is the green and blue, is the color cayenne. So as you can see in this middle part, you will see the secondary color, which is the cayenne, the result of two primary colors. So to see us more better, we're gonna use an image again. So let's mix them together, the middle. So as you can see, the shadow, which is on this side, the green, the primary color green, and then the primary color blue, the shadow behind it. And then the light surrounds the shadow behind it is the result of mixture of the primary color green and blue, which is the cayenne color, which is, you can see around it, this part, you can see the cayenne color right there. So now what will happen if we mix the green and red? So let's try. So if we mix the green and red, as you can see in this left side, you see the primary color red, and then in the right side you can see the primary color green. So the result of mixing them together is the secondary color, which is the result of the two primary colors, is the secondary color yellow. As you can see here, this is the yellow, the secondary color. So if you mix them together, this is the result. So right there. So as you can see it not that clearly, but on this part you can see the the yellow color, the result of mixing the red and then the green, this is our secondary color. So to see that more better, we're gonna mix them at the center like we did on the previous color. So let me just give have a minute to actually set it better. So there, we're gonna use an object again to see more clearly. So as you can see right there, you can see right here, on this left side, we see the red, our primary color. And then on this side, we see the green, our another primary color. This is the two lightnings that we mix together, and then the light around the shadow of it is the yellow, the result of mixture of two primary colors, which is the red and then green. So as you can see, this is the result of it. So this is the yellow thing right there. So now I demonstrate to you, napakita ko naman the different kinds of and the different result of mixing the primary colors by pair. So you see the result too if we mix the three colors together, which is the three primary colors, which is turned out as white. So I will place it again. So as you can see, what is the result of mixing them three both together. So let me just give a second again, just to set this properly. So we can see clearly the actual result of mixture of them. So right there. Wait. Let me just have a minute just to properly set this thing up. So right there. As you can see, this is the mixture of the three primary colors, which is turned out as white. So why I'm doing this again? Wait, let me just adjust the red color again. So back to the topic. Why I present this again to you? Because I know you want to know what will get the result of if we mix the cyan and then yellow by pair. So for short, what will be the result of mixing the two secondary color? So the answer is this: color white. Why? Because the three, if we mix the three primary colors, the result of it is white because there are no, like, paano ba to? Para sa akin, wala nang ibang kapupuntahan yung pagmimix ng tatlong kulay na yun, which is mapupunta talaga siya sa pagka-white. So, for short, if we mix by pair the two kinds of secondary color, for example, we mix the cyan and then the magenta, it turns out like this. What is that? The color white. And then, basta, if we mix together by pair all the secondary colors by its group by, like, secondary to secondary color, it turns out to be like this. So, kumbaga, parang gato lang yan. Yung primary colors, may resulta. Yung secondary colors, sila na yung resulta, hindi na sila pwedeng mag-provide pa. Kumbaga, hindi na sila pwedeng mag-produce. They cannot produce another form of image or color by themselves because they are the product. Parang ganun. So, as you can see right here, it's color white, and then if we mix the secondary colors together, it will bound as like this, color white. So, now, I know you want to know where the colors have gone. Like, they form as white. So, if you want to see more better and to, like, separate the colors by themselves, we're gonna use a item. So, Let us try. So as you can see right there, you see the primary colors, which is the blue. As you can see right there, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, my mistake. As you can see, we can see all the colors right here. The cayenne, the green, the yellow, the red, the magenta, and then even the blue right here. So this is the, like, what I can say is, this is the result of like mixing them together. Like, nakabound sila. Ito yung pinaka-bound nung mixing together. Like, hindi ko kasi hindi ko maipakita the three circles like on the example of MamCat. So I use object just to show you the light, the colors that been produced during the mixture of the three primary colors. So as you can see, we see there the colors right here, in my PowerPoint, which is, as you can see, we form the color of like so sorry. As you can see right here, we form the color of this. The circle thing right there. So let me just like, we have the color of in here, like here. All the color result is in here. The green ones, the yellow, the red, the magenta, the cayenne, and then the blue. So that is the result of mixing them together. So that's all. So I guess sana may natutunan kayo. Thank you din po, Ma'am Kat, especially from you, from teaching us how to do this. Hindi ko po alam kung satisfied ko kayo sa ginawa ko, but I give my best, and then sana po na-appreciate niyo, ma'am, kasi nahirapan din po kasi akong mag-provide ng aking lighting. So, thank you so much, ma'am, and then have a good day po. Thank you, and then more teachers to come po, and then always keep safe po, ma'am. Like, thank you po. Thank you po. Yun po, good day, and then have a nice day. Thank you.